sky blue color, brown color, light green color, dark blue color, yellow color, red color. Now we coloring numbers. First we draw 1, O, N, E, 1. The numbers of 1. Again use sky blue color. Draw 2. The numbers of 2. T, W or 2. Now I draw 3. The numbers of 3. And use brown color. T, H, R, W, 3. Again use brown color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. F, O, U are 4. Kids now I draw 5. The numbers of 5. And use light green color. F, I, V, E, 5. Kids again use light green color and draw 6. The numbers of 6. S, I, X, 6. Kids now draw 7. The numbers of 7. And use dark blue color. S, E, V, E and 7. It's again use dark blue color and draw 8. E, I, G, H, T, 8. The numbers of 8. It's now draw 9. The numbers of 9. And use yellow color. N, I, N, E, 9. Kids again use yellow color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. T, E and 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11. And use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. Kids now draw 13. The numbers of 13. And use sky blue color. Sky blue color. Kids again use sky blue color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids now draw 15. The numbers of 15. And use brown color. Brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw 16. The numbers of 16. Kids now draw 17. The numbers of 17. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw 80. The numbers of 80. Kids now draw 90. The numbers of 90. And use red color. Red color. Kids lastly draw 20. The numbers of 20. And again use red color. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.